This is week 10 of our 60-second video series, and today we're making stuffed mushrooms. Let's get started. Now at the broiler setting of your oven, you are just gonna place it on low and let that preheat while we prep our mushrooms. Right here I have a small bowl that I'm just gonna place some butter in, and we're gonna place that in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until it's melted. And to that melted butter, we are going to add a touch of olive oil. And using a pastry brush, we're just gonna brush the tops of our mushrooms. Now we're gonna flip them over and do the other sides. Mushrooms absorb oil really well, so go crazy with this. I mean, unless you're watching your weight or something, but who cares about that? Add a little bit of salt, some black pepper, touch of garlic powder. We're also gonna top them with some spinach. Add some mozzarella cheese on top. This guy needs more cheese. So does this guy. You want the fattiness of the cheese to cancel out the health benefits of the spinach. Perfectly balanced, as things should be. I'm just gonna hit these with some Parmesan cheese and some dried parsley flakes. Now I don't like giving times for the broiler setting because you have to watch these, otherwise they can burn. Hey, real quick, if you don't trust yourself with the broiler, these work even better if you start in a 385-degree oven for about 10 minutes and then end it in the broiler until the cheese browns nicely. All you gotta do is plate them and they're ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and until next week, I'm Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.